Coming up on our one night £70 cruise.
Give you a quick tour of our cabin. What do we think? Hey, hello. Rachel's breaking the rules.
Welcome back to Cruising with the 4Bs, or the 2Bs.
We've just completed a lovely stay here on SS Rotterdam, but we're about to spend less than 24 hours on a cruise ship, MSC Virtuosa. How much can we pack into those 24 hours? Can we get to the spa, the restaurants, you name it? We're going to do it all in less than 24 hours.
We are, it's making me tired just thinking about it.
So, we've got hardly any time, so I'm going to look at my imaginary watch and we're going to run downstairs. There's only one way to get to the ship. It's got to be James Bond style. It's got to be speedboat. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Get out. Come on. Get out. Hello. Morning. Come. Yes. We have made it on board. We've been on the high-speed water taxi. Did we enjoy that, Rachel?
We did, yeah, it was very fun.
Very fun, as always. Driver was pretty cool. And then we arrived at the terminal and we took about half an hour. There was quite a few queues outside, but it was really well organised.
Order! Order. The convention that we don't clap in this chamber.
Headed to the terminal and we are on board. So our, let's say 20, I reckon 22 hours we're going to be on board, do you reckon? You're supposed to join in here, you're going to see. 22 hours, do you reckon?
Wow, I don't know. What time is it now? 12? Yeah, I guess that's getting off at 10 o'clock.
We haven't seen any changes yet. What changes have we got?
No, and everyone we've asked
said no changes.
have said no changes. They said just a bit of paint. The spa seemed a little bit fresher.
But you still should watch the full ship tour because it's going to, it did look a bit fresher, didn't it?
Yeah.
So there's going to be all that freshness. There could be lots. Let's keep them in suspense. They could have added another water park. We're going to go and do the ship tour. Most of it, it's a bit horrible outside, so we'll probably do the outside bit early in Southampton because it's going to be beautiful as it always is. We've got our dinner booked at Butcher's Cup because, exciting, come and look at this. Look, on my diamond. Diamonds are forever. So that means I do get some perks. We get an hour in the spa, so does Rachel now. And we also get a speciality meal. One of them, as we're only on one night, we get it tonight. Perfect. And we're going to Butcher's Cup with that. We've also got, I'll show you now on the screen, we've also got some champagne over there. We've got canapes and we've also got...
Canapes, what are they? Do you know what they're called?
I don't know.
Macaroons.
Let's take a look at our accessible interior cabin. Let's take a quick tour of it. This is the desk area, obviously a larger area, but it'd be pretty much the same in a standard interior. So let's take a look around this. We do have the sockets, European, 2 USB and 2 American plug sockets. Word on the TV. The TV in the summer out of Southampton had ITV and BBC. As it was heading to the Caribbean, those had disappeared. Kettle in your room, again, because we're at the end of the UK season, but you can request it if you haven't got a kettle and you're out in the Caribbean or in Europe. You can ask for ice every evening. Zoe never works, and this fridge had minibar drinks in it. You can ask for these to be removed and put back at the end of your cruise so you can use it as a normal fridge, or you could just take the stuff out, pop it in a cupboard, replace it on the final night so you're not charged. We had twins, which we pushed together ourselves. There's a USB underneath that light and also this light as well, and we had hordes of space as an accessible cabin and this really random chair. Don't know why this chair was in there. Maybe it's because it can be taken in and out if there is a wheelchair, but it just looked really random. Again, accessible cabin, lots of space. Into the bathroom, there was a seat in the bathroom. A standard bathroom would be pretty much the same. Same amenities. These amenities are slightly lower. Sink might be slightly lower. All the same, just obviously a smaller space. These towels, these are for the swimming pool. They can be replaced each day. Just make sure they're in the cabin when you depart, otherwise you'll be charged. Plenty of cupboard space, drawers, and a safe. So let's quickly jump to departure day to ask Rachel a quick question. Rachel, how would you assess this room? We only stayed one night in it. How would you assess it? And it's after refit as well. I don't think there's anything that's changed.
No, the room's been quite dirty. There was a lot of stuff. It's an alright room.
It's an okay room.
I wouldn't have wanted to have stayed in it any longer than one night.
No, that's quite an assessment, really.
And the
isn't it?
beds, it's like the bed's really small. I'm just going to show something. My feet all night
Oh, yeah. That is. Yeah, there you go.
hanging
Ah.
out of the bed.
So, yeah, so they are quite small. So, yeah, just an okay inside cabin. But shall we go back in time and show them what we stayed in the summer for a balcony cabin? And you liked that one, didn't you?
I did like that one.
She really did like it, and I'll show you why very shortly. We have a full review of this cabin in our full review of our summer cruise, so check it out on the channel. But as you can see, unless they needed it, the cabin didn't have much changes, unless things were broken. But you got your standard desk, bed, cupboard, safe, all in the rooms. But obviously, if you've got a balcony, you get beautiful views like this. This was an aft balcony, and check it out. It was wonderful. Let's continue the ship tour. Ship tour, almost done.
Right, let's have a catch up. What have we been up to since we last spoke? So we headed to the buffet. How did we think of the buffet? It was busy once again.
It was really busy, yeah. You couldn't...
And it's quite a quiet ship actually, isn't it? So surprisingly it was a bit crazy busy, but we had a pretty good MSC lunch. Some nice puddings and nice food.
Yeah.
It was alright, nothing spectacular. And then after the buffet, we had a little bit of a wander, didn't we?
We did, yes. We had a little walk around and then we went and had a drink.
A drink and some people watching, didn't we, in
the Indocene bar.
Yep, which was good.
And it was really cold because everyone was getting on the ship at that point. So we went up to the pub.
Went up to the pub, yep. And then we tapped in our card before anyone else, because don't listen to them when they say do it deck by deck. So we just tapped in, went straight up to the Sky Bar Prosecco, and we took that to the Sky Bar. This one was really worried. Oh my God, what are they going to do? So we had that with Sailaway, and it was lovely.
Yeah. You probably should admit that, though. You might get banned from MSC.
Might do, but I doubt they'll be watching.
No, this is true.
And so we had that with a beautiful Sailaway as we headed away from beautiful Rotterdam. So we've had all of the
macaroons are gone.
Macaroons. We've still got
the chocolate. Maybe we'll take them back for the kids.
We've still got the chocolates to eat. We've had the Prosecco. We're about to head to the spa.
may I just interrupt this video really quickly. If you're enjoying it, please give it a like so more people get to see it. And if you enjoy cruise content, it's the subscribe button. Thank you.
Welcome back to a very rocky Virtuosa.
It is really rocky, isn't it?
Yeah, we've just seen hailstones.
Yes. Hailstones, and they came thick and fast, didn't they?
They did, yeah. It was like pelting, painful hailstones.
Freezing up there as well. Really, really cold. But let's go back. Where were we? We just gone off to the spa. That was very relaxing.
It was very nice. A little bit odd though, isn't it? When you're like laying in a bikini and then they're showing people around the spa. It's a bit disconcerting.
But then I guess what they're showing is the ultimate couple in there. Yeah. We used the spa for an hour, didn't we? Mm-hmm. So we took a photo. That was what happened after. So we got changed and then we headed out for a little wander. And one of the perks as well is you get a free photo. So we went through a full photographic session. Is that what it's called? Photograph session, yes. Because we get the free one. But then we might not actually... So if we did get it in the morning, probably not, because it said it's available tomorrow. So we'll probably be off by the time it's available.
By the time they got loaded.
But if it is, here it is. Looking good.
Absolutely mortifying doing all
Can
those
you do some of the poses you had to do?
Well, he was like...
There was one where I had to look away, didn't I?
Like this. And then I said, can I just go like this?
Yes. That was it. If we do get them, that's the one we're going to get. And then it was off to Butcher's Cut.
Oh, Butcher's Cut was immense.
Really good. What did we start with? I had the breads to start with. What was your favourite bread?
Oh, and the little hot cheese and bacon scones.
Scones. They are really good.
Scones.
Really, really good. And then I had tomato soup.
I had the prawn cocktail, which is not really a classic. It says classic prawn cocktail, but it's basically...
A lot of ice.
5 king prawns laid on a bed of ice. So not the best choice. However, my main... I went for the ribeye and it was melt in your mouth. Amazing.
Delicious. And I went for the surf and turf and the steak was wonderful. And to the side, you had chips.
Yep.
I had mash and we also paid extra for the spinach because now
so
in the meal...
one side. It used to be two, but we're sure it used to be two sides.
Pretty sure. Someone will correct us, but I'm pretty sure it used to be two.
Yeah, so now it's just one side and it was €3 per extra side.
Wash down with, what wine did you have?
I had a Cabernet Sauvignon.
Yes. And I had a Heineken. You had Mount in the Middle.
Lava cake,
which you couldn't finish.
No.
Because you were absolutely full, but I could, because I'm a brave person. I continued on and had
You did, you soldiered on through that cheesecake, yeah.
I did it.
And half of my steak.
And half of your steak as well. So I think we're going to just lay in a
food coma.
We might get a film. If we do, we'll show you what film that we dived into.
Before the food coma, we did pop out and see how the theatre was looking. The theatre company weren't on until the next day, so they had this lady singing. And we headed back to the cabin and we did watch a film. Ghostbusters. We were enjoying it, but we fell asleep just before the end. How much did the cruise cost?
It cost us 70 quid each.
Yeah.
So even if we flew back,
it would have been, yeah,
all the food.
The way that we did it, it was really good actually, wasn't it? Catching a flight to Rotterdam, having a couple of days there, and then getting the ship back.
And also because we're obviously, we've got the meal on Butcher's Cut.
Yeah.
We got the photo.
Yeah.
We could have had F1. That was free.
No one needs it. Once you've tried F1 once and realised how shocking you are at it, there's not much need to try it.
I'll show you what it's like as we arrive in to hopefully a really sunny Southampton in the morning.
That'd be nice.
Yeah. Shall we show you the beautiful sunshine as we arrive into Southampton?
As it was the last day of an MSC cruise, of course, we had to join a massive queue. But you know what? This queue was well organised, only took 20 minutes, and it was mandatory. They wanted a face-to-face border control, look at your passport. So, wasn't too bad. And you know what? I also got a TikTok out of it, which lots of people watched. So, thanks MSC. Rach took the time to read a book, and we were off after a fantastic one-night cruise. Tap on the screen right now if you'd like to check out another 4Bs video.